In this video, I will show you how to change your calendar hours on Square Appointments. So first gonna sign into your Square Appointments account, and then what you want to go and do is click on the three lines in the top left. That will open up this menu. Now from here, go and click on Appointments right there. Now here you want to click on Calendar. Now here you will see all of your calendars. I only have one, but this one right now is open from Monday until Friday from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. So that's also when people can now book in appointments. Now if I would like to change this schedule, then what I can do is click on this clock icon, and then there are two options. You can do a one-time change, which will just be for this week. So for example, if you have this standard schedule, but only on this specific week on Friday, you will need to stop at, let's say 2, then you can simply enter that right here. However, if it's a recurring schedule, so it will be the same every single week, but you want to change something, for example, again, the example that on Friday at 3 p.m., for example, then I can enter that. And for example, if Saturday opens at 8 a.m. and it goes until 1 p.m. So then you can click done. And then you will see now, for example, on Saturday, I have this schedule right here where people can book in appointments, or you can do it yourself by clicking on it. But now you know how to change your hours on Square Appointments. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.